Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's mini release day over in the Whimsy Stamps shop, and today I'm here to reveal the new Believe Word and Shadow die set. The word Believe measures just under or just about 3 inches once it's cut out, and when it's placed on top of the Shadow die cut, it measures roughly 3 1/8 of an inch. So it's the perfect size for either a slimline card or an A2 sized card. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and for my first sample, I made a quick and easy card using the new Christmas Eve paper pack. And I also brought in the Christmas Moments stamp set to add in that tiny sentiment strip underneath the word Believe. For my second sample, I again used the Christmas Eve paper pack and mixed up some of the papers. I die cut the word Believe from red glitter cardstock and put that up on top of the shadow die. For my final card, I used the Believe word die along with the Decorate a Tree die set and the Gnome for Holidays stamp set. And that's it for this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.